Today we're making stuffed bell peppers, so let's get started. For our stuffed bell peppers, we are going to need 6 whole bell peppers, a pound of ground beef, an onion, 6 garlic cloves, a can of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of cooked rice, some frozen corn, some Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and shredded cheese. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do before we get started is we need to cut the tops off our bell peppers and pull out the seeds and the membranes off of the inside. And the tops we will set to the side because we can chop those up for later and store them to use in other dishes. All right, just about halfway there. And when I do my stuffed bell peppers, I try and get my bell peppers to all be roughly the same size. So that way I don't have too much left over when I go to stuff them. And basically we're just, reach on the inside and get the membrane out, and then I just tap them over a bowl and get all the seeds out. Alright, now that we've got these all cut up and cleaned out, we're going to just set these in a 9x13 baking dish and set these to the side. And now we're going to move on and get our stuffing ready. So be right back. So we've got a large skillet heated up over medium high. To this we're going to add our 1 pound of ground meat. And we're going to add in our 1 medium diced onion. And then we're going to cook this down until the onions are brown, which should take about 10-15 minutes. So once we're there, I'll be right back. So see you shortly. Alright, this has been cooking down for about 10 minutes. And to this we are going to add in our 3 garlic cloves, which we've minced up. And then we're going to cook this for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. And then once that's done, we're going to remove this from the heat and start mixing everything together. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, so we've removed our mixture from the heat. So if you have any excess liquids in this, be sure to drain it. So to this we are going to add in our 1 can of diced tomatoes, which have been drained, 1 cup of cooked rice, 1 cup of corn. I'm going to give this a stir. Breaking up our rice to make sure it gets mixed up thoroughly. Then we're going to add in our salt and our pepper. And still finding some of my rice stuck together. Then we're going to add in a cup of cheese, and you can use whichever cheese you prefer. I'm using a Monterey Jack. stir. Then we're going to add in our Worcestershire sauce. Alright, so now I'm going to move this over to the side. We're going to get our bell peppers. And we're going to fill those with our mixture. I need to get me a large spoon. Trying to make sure y'all see what's going on. There we go. So we're going to spoon this into our bell peppers. And then once we get these all stuffed, we're going to top these with the remaining cheese that we have. And these are going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. So let me get this all finished up and we'll be right back. Alright, so these are all set up and ready to go. We're going to pop these in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and brown. Now, cooking them this way, the bell peppers will have a somewhat soft crunch to them. If you like a softer bell pepper, what you can do is cover them loosely with aluminum foil for 30 minutes and then remove the aluminum foil and cook them for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. So let me get these in the oven, and once they're ready to go, we'll be back. All right, so these have been going for 30 minutes and they're all good and cooked. And as you can see, the bell peppers have a nice, light, firm give to them. And the filling is heated through and through. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy.